Here I am on Inconceivable again, and yesterday I was mucking about in the lazarette and I found the Whisker pole, and right around then Kevin from Nice Try down the way came by, and I showed him the Whisker pole, and he's like, well, those things on the side of the mast are the loops for the Whisker pole. And I said, holy buckets, it's light breeze today, so I figured it was a good time to try it at the dock. I just hooked the bad boy up, and sure enough, we have a functioning Whisker pole for serious downwind sailing. It's awesome. Like downwind on this boat, you can trim it just right, and it works. But then, you know, wave action can really mess it up. This is designed totally to solve that problem. Gets the sail way out there, creates a lot of drag, and you just fly downwind. Have the main out the other side, do some wing-on-wing action. Should be really great. I'm gonna go out and give that a try. Today is, what is the date today? Monday, August 21st. Today is the day of the 2017 total solar eclipse. It's not total here, but it's the first time since early 20th century that the entire continental United States experiences an eclipse, and the total eclipse cuts this swath across the country. New York City is going to see about 75%. What's the word? Occult. It's going to be covered about 75. The sun's going to be covered by the moon about 75% ish. So Dan is coming by, and we're going to go out and watch it from the water. Woohoo! Lynn and Hans here for the Eclipse of 2017. So far it's kind of boring, except we're sailing, which is cool. So Dan and I just rigged the Whisker pole.
Sure did.
We totally did. Check this out. That is really awesome. Woohoo! Yeah, we're totally sailing wing on wing. That's awesome. And then there's an eclipse happening at the same time. I don't know if you can see it. Holy shit, bro. I totally see the sun. Woohoo! Oh, that's beautiful.
It's covered, you can see it.
Yeah. That is wicked. That is so cool. So I've got the binoculars, and I'm trying to find... Isn't this how I did it?
You know, I thought it was maybe small, but it's definitely darker right now.
It is, right? Oh, there it is. Look at that.
This is cool.
I could see the crescent. Holy shit.
Super cool.
So Dan, what'd you think of the eclipse?
It was pretty cool.
I thought it was super cool.
Good boy. We're moving.
Yeah.
We like easy sails.
I don't know anything.
Esther wants to rampage all over the bay. What you doing, Hansi?
I'm filming you sailing. People on Sailing Inconceivable have not seen
They
this.
don't think I sail at all.
No, they don't.
No. I like the boat though.
Right?
They do. Like summer cabin.
Yeah.
What would I do? I guess I'd just come up into the wind and sit there until you swam to me.
That sounds good. Unless I'm unconscious, then you'll have to do a man
Don't knock
overboard.
yourself unconscious on the way to the water. I can't lift you. I'd have to drag you all the way back to the marina.
This is how our conversations usually go, Esther.
That's okay. That's pretty
Especially-
relaxing.
Especially on film, somehow.
Right.
So there's a green can here.
Keep him on your port. Because now
I feel
we're
like I'm a little close to that pier now.
you're fine. I sailed like 50 yards off of
Buzzed
it
it?
last time. Man.
Arr! Bunch of kids on that boat going, Arr! It's fun to be a pirate.
Oh, there's a storm over our marina.
That's a storm.
Yeah. It's going to the beach?
Yeah, I didn't know C Street went to the beach. No, I had no idea that so left. That's cool. It's an angle you never see,
I'm usually on that side.
right? Usually
Ugh.
the beach going, oh, look at this.
Max is looking. You see him looking?
It's hot out there.
That's a nice boat.
So,
I don't know.
Looks like it might be a CNC. It is CNC. Ahoy!
Nice boat.
Nice boat. CNC Corvette. Yep. Love it.
Nice.
Yeah, it's an old one. 1971. What do you think that was? 34?
He said 32, I think.
32? I like the 32.
And he said 1980.
All right, you ready to come about?
Sure. Is Max ready?
there you go. That CNC. Sorry, Esther.
Nice. Bye.